pair of concerned citizens has decided to seek legal action against the state's decision to join the Caribbean Court of Justice in the absence of a referendum. The general basis argument presented by the two gentlemen is that they do not believe the citizenry was adequately consulted on the move. They also believe that the procedures utilized by the government to assent to the CCJ compromise the Constitution of St. Lucia. The primary complainant, Jan Gustav, explains that the matter has been put to the High Court and they are now awaiting instruction on how to proceed with the case.
We found it necessary to protect our Constitution because of the protection it affords us. And that was the reason for looking into this matter when we realized that if anything had to be done about the desecration that was about to happen to the Constitution, that we would have to do it ourselves. We came together and started to put a case so that we would have been able to file, which we did on Friday, the 3rd day of March 2023. Subsequent to the filing of the matter, we were advised by the court that the Attorney General should be served, and that was done yesterday, Tuesday, 7th March 2023.
The secondary complainant, Felix Champagne de Turville, explains that for him, the filing of the injunction application is to stand up to the injustices being allowed to permeate in country. However, he made it vehemently clear that his motives are not politically charged.
This is not any revenge on the government. This is not as a result of Sky FM's frequency being taken away. This is something that I, in particular, believe that it has to be done, because we have seen over the last year and a half that the carnage that has been brought about on our people of St. Lucia, and everyone has taken a backseat. No one wants to speak out on those matters, those issues. I think as a St. Lucian, it is right for me, as a radio announcer, as a citizen, as a father, as a grandfather, to speak out on behalf of the people of St. Lucia and say to the government that, hey, wait a minute, this is a democratic country. We have rights as well to speak out on those matters.
The two men, in their own estimation, believe that they have put forward very formidable arguments against the state. Their only hope is that the High Court will allow them to proceed with what they view as a landmark case.
Putting the case together, we made what we believe were very compelling arguments to the court on our understanding of their provisions, and as well we submitted to the court supporting documents that we believe will assist the court tremendously in making a decision in our favor. So we look forward to this matter being dealt with, and the general public can also look forward to a precedent-setting case in St. Lucia.
Futuristic decisions by any government, not just this government, by any government, where the people of this country may be affected, that will set the precedence today, I believe, in my mind, that other people will come out and speak on what is right for them and their families.